Hi guys, my name is Malik. I am here with new video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge multiple PDF files to make a single PDF file. So, if you are new to my channel, then click on subscribe so that you don't miss any new video from me. Let's start. For merging PDF files online, you need to go to a site named I Love PDF. So click on this. Then from here, it is wonderful PDF site. It has many features like merge PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, and multiple features. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to click on this merge PDF. Click on this. Now select files from your PC. These are files. I am going to make a weekly planner, and I have downloaded 1 to 50 pages from Canva. I need to merge these pages to make a single PDF planner of 150 pages. For that purpose, I am using I Love PDF Merger online. So first of all, select pages from your hard drive or computer. This is a weekly planner first page. Then I will select by holding Control key weekly planner 1 to 50, and then this is blank page. Then click open. You can also arrange the order by dragging and dropping these pages or PDF files. Now I need to make a file of these pages are similar 1 to 50 pages. I want to show you actually the actual file of my planner. It is like this is my weekly planner. It is 1 to 50 pages. I need to create similar pages 150 pages. For that purpose, I will add this file multiple times in the merger. Just click on plus sign, then upload from your computer and select this again. Then go to your PC and select this again. Now I need to merge these files. So just after you have uploaded all your necessary PDF files you want to merge and arrange them according to your specific order, then just click on merge PDF. Now it is creating a single merged PDF file. It only takes a few seconds. Just click on download merge PDF and save it to your hard drive. I will save it as weekly planner 2019-2020 and save. Yes, let's see it. As you can see, this is my first page, and then this is a blank page, and after that there are repetitive pages, and it is 152 pages. I have created this merge PDF file using I Love PDF online in front of you. So this is how you can merge multiple PDF files using I Love PDF online. This is very cool tool. So if you are new and if you are watching my channel first time, and or if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do click on subscribe and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. I love to put up videos on technology, make money online and things like that. Thanks for watching.